Third class science, birds, food and more lesson. Today we will discuss food and more from birds. Okay, birds lesson, food and more. Birds are the living things. Yes, birds are living things. Living things need food. Yes or no? Yes, living things need food. Birds are the living things. These are the need food. Okay, and some birds eat flesh of animals. Some birds eat grains, seeds and fruits. Okay children, birds are the living things. Living things need food. Birds also need food. Yes, it is a living thing. Birds, like some birds eat flesh of animals. Some birds eat grains, seeds and fruits. Okay, and next, birds use their beaks and claws to catch and hold the food. Use their beaks and claws to catch the food and eat. Beaks means like this. Beak means nose, like bird mouth. Claws means it's a foot. మనం ఫూట్ అంటాం. హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ కుంటే ఫూట్, బర్డ్స్ కుంటే క్లాస్. ఇట్స్ ఏ క్లాస్. ఫింగర్స్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఏ క్లాస్. బోత్ యూజ్ beaks and claws. Use and hold the food and eat. ఈ టూ పార్ట్స్ని యూజ్ చేసి ఫుడ్ని హోల్డ్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? అండ్ బర్డ్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లాస్. Different types of class and different types of beaks. Different types of class are there and different types of beaks are there. Birds. Okay, today we will discuss first different kinds of beaks. Okay, different kinds of beaks. You know, kinds means types. Okay, different kinds of beaks. These are the 7 types of beaks are there. 7 types of beaks of birds are there here. 7 types. First one, today we will discuss first one. Strong, sharp and hooked beak. Today we will discuss hooked beak. Hooked beak. Okay, strong, sharp and hooked beak. Which birds have strong and sharp and hooked beak? Here see: eagles, vultures, owl, next hawk. These birds have hooked and strong and sharp beak. These birds have hooked beak. Okay, these birds used this hooked beak. They have strong and sharp and hooked beak to tear flesh. Flesh ni చీల్చడానికి ఉపయోగిస్తాయి. ఓకే, టు టేర్ ఫ్లెష్. ఎస్, హియర్ see hooked means like this, hook like. Okay, this type of beak, it is a hooked beak, down hooked beak. Okay. This beak is used to tear the flesh, and eat. It is a hooked type of beak, like this. It is a hook type. Okay, like this. Hooked beak. Okay, eagles, vultures, owl, hawk, these are the hooked beak birds. Hooked means like this. Hooked beak. It is a hooked beak. Okay. In this beak, use and tear the flesh, eat food like this. Okay. Hooked beak. Next. Here say children. Eagle. It is a hooked. Yes. Eagle, vultures, owl, hawk. These are the flesh-eating birds. These birds are the flesh-eating birds. Strong and sharp beak have these birds. It is a hooked beak. Eagles, vultures and kites are birds of prey. Birds of prey means birds which hunt and eat other animals. These birds are the eat other animals' flesh. Okay, like chicks, mice, frogs and snakes. These animals eat other animals. Eagles eat other animals like chicks, frog, mice. These small animals eat these birds. Small animals, chicks, frog, mice, these animals flesh eat eagles, vultures, owls, hawk. These birds are eat these small animals flesh. Okay, and here say they have strong and sharp hooked beak to tear flesh. In this hooked beak used to tear the flesh. Okay, and second type of beak, strong, hard and horny beak. Second type is horny beak. First one is hooked beak. Okay, horny beak, hooked beak. Okay, and strong and hard and horny beak birds, sparrow, pigeon, peacock, finch. These birds have strong, hard and horny beak. Okay, these birds have strong, hard and horny beak to crush grains and seeds. These horny beak help to birds crush grains and crush the grains and seeds. Okay, strong, hard and horny beak have these birds. Sparrow, pigeons, peacock, finches, these have strong, hard and horny beak. Okay, and it is also short, also very short ga untundi. Short, hard and horny beak, and very strong also. Hard means strong. Okay, sparrow, pigeon, peacock, finches, these birds have short, hard and horny beak, and these horny beak is crush the grains and seeds. It is a horny beak, so short. It is a short and hard horny beak. Short and hard horny beak. It's this type of beak is called as horny. ఈ type ని మనం ఏమని పిలుస్తాం? Horny beak అని పిలుస్తాం. Okay, it is a short, hard and horny beak. Hooked beak means like this, strong, hard and hooked type. ఇలా హుక్ టైప్లో ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ హుక్డ్ బీక్. ఇట్స్ ఏ horny beak. Okay, today we will discuss only two types of beaks, hooked beak and horny beak. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will discuss more more types of beaks. Okay children, can you understand? Okay, thank you.